Yes, that's all.
I decided to take a fucking like turn.
Take a stroll. Yeah.
I just want to go there and come right back. That's all I wanted to do. Anyway, yo, I love fucking flip phones.
Flip phones are a thing of the past, man. No, that's so 2006.
Like, yeah, I mean, you're there.
No, let me see. When someone calls
Oh
you, like,
my god.
like,
Yeah, I love the flip phones, man.
hello.
Hello.
You can do that too, actually. With
Yeah.
a flip phone.
You're gonna be like,
No, you gotta hold on. You gotta flip it without opening.
Exactly.
You know about that?
Sure.
Andre, you know about that?
Trust me. With everything, with a cell phone.
He's Russian too?